Alright, today we're going to be showing the removal and replacement process for the cabinet panels on your Canadian Spa Company hot tub or swim spa. The basic principle is very simple. The slim vertical strips and securing screws get removed, and then the panel that's between them simply drops down and slides out of place. So we'll show you that now. Just removing, should be 3 to 4 screws depending on the height of the hot tub or swim spa. So it drops down and comes away from the spa. Now, most panels on the hot tub or swim spa will not be connected to anything on the inside. However, there are certain panels, such as MP3 housing panels, drain assembly panels, and corner panels with LED lights that do have other wires affixed to them. So when you're removing or replacing those, you do need to be wary of those wires, cables, and connections. But essentially, that is how to remove the panel. Once you've got it out of place, you can replace it with a new one if needed, and then simply place it back to the spa, slide it up into place, line up your vertical strip screws with their mooring pre-drilled holes, and putting the panel back on. That's really all there is to it. So that is replacing a cabinet panel on your Canadian Spa Company hot tub or swim spa.